Hey, so today I wanted to go into TJ Maxx to see what they had for spring fashion. So they have this cute little purse here that's like said spring to me, $25, not bad at all for this one right here. And it's just something nice and simple. Another simple piece. I'm looking for like staple pieces that can just go with a lot of different things. And this one is great, $17. It has the cute little collar, it has the ribbing, it has a little V neckline, and it's like a good thickness. It's not too thin, not too thick. But that was nice. I love a good pair of loafers. You can put together a whole little outfit with that top, some cute pants, these loafers right here. $30 for those, and they will go with a lot. These Free People sandals right here. So if you are looking for some cute sandals, because the season is changing, TJ Maxx has some right now, and these are $50 for these. More cute bags, so you can just see all of the spring summer colors that they have out. They have this Steve Madden one right here, and it's just a real bold color, $25 with the cute gold hardware on there. And then it has a little pocket in the back. The shape is cute. This one with a little bow on it, something really springy, $17 for that. And then you can see the gold, and then it goes back into the leather material. This one right here, so that green is just real pretty. And if you can see, it has a lot of different compartments to be such a small little bag. So I thought that was nice. This blue, so this DKNY one right here, and it has like the quilting detail on it. $50 for that one. I thought it was attached at first, but it's not. It's two separate ones. So it's just quilted again in the back there. And then that was a Steve Madden one. And it's kind of like a wallet kind of, because it has the double parts right there. Then if you want something simple and black, of course, they still have those. And this one was not expensive at all. So $20 for that one. And it's a nice, simple black bag if you're looking. Another one with cute different details. So it has these little floral beading details on it. It's lined for the tote part. And then the handles are just the regular little flowers, the little beaded flowers on there. But it had a lot of storage inside of it. So that one was another good one. Of course, hair clips. So they're gonna have a bunch of banana clips, different ones. These look like little daisies, so cute, and only $8 for the two of those. So they have like a ton of different ones you can pick from. So this is like all year round, but these are the ones that I thought were cute for the spring. So $8 for that 4-pack. These look like flowers too. You can get 4 of those for $8. These just, nice simple ones that you can wear all the time. And you can get that double pack. These so cute. So it's carrot, a chick, a bunny, little flowers, just really cute. And $8 for those. So if you're into banana clips, bow clips, different things like that, you can get those. $6 for this set of 3, and those are pretty pastel colors. This is a variety of different ones, so you get different types for that one. $8. Of course, they have the little bobby pin ones. These have little bunnies and stuff on them, on 2 of them, and then the rest are like pearls, $6. These pearl ones, really pretty, $6 for those. This, another good set, because you'll get all of those. This is like more bedazzled, like $8 for that. Like I said, just a ton, and they're all under $10, as you can see. So you might want to grab you some of those. So they have from floral shapes to spring-like shapes to just all kind of different things. This set, $6. These super cute, so you can see it says Easter and stuff on there, and they're just real pretty. And it's only $6 for that, so you can put Happy Easter on one side. Pajamas, not bananas, pajamas. So they have, because you want to change into the shorts when it gets warmer. $13 for the set. And then this one says Dream Big right here. So they're different brands, but they're all about the same price. So you might want to grab you some short set pajamas. If you like long, of course, they still have long sets, with the little short sleeves. So you can grab some of those. $17 for that set right there. They have robes. If you're looking for a nice robe, that mint color is real pretty for this season. $20 for that one. And it's a 9 West one, and it has like it's a nice feel, but it's like light, not too heavy. This bag right here, so you like a lot of straw, like tweed looking like bags for the spring, I think. So $20 for this one right here, and it has a cute little circular type shape. Thought that one was nice. This Steve Madden one right here, I just like the print that's on it. So $30 for that one, and then it has that canvas. So the colors really pop together for me, and it comes with a little matching coin purse with that one. So you might want to grab something like that. Just a lot of cute different bags. This one right here, so I like it, but you can see it has a little bubbling right there at the top, but I do like it still, like all the different details, the mixture of the animal print with the different materials and stuff like that. So I just thought that one was nice, but it did have that bubble in there, and that one was $35 for that. Then they had this one right here. So this is like kind of nautical like, and I thought that one was nice. So $40 for this one right here, and it's just something, real cute. So you might want to grab something like that if you're trying to change up your look or you like that nautical look. This one right here, love the green on this. I just love that color green, especially with the tweed like material. $30 for this, and then the little bamboo handle, just so pretty. Love that one. And then if you want like a more delicate look, the same kind of style as the other one, but it's just more springy. $35 for that one. That was good. Purple, I love purple. And this one right here, if you can see, so it's non-west, but it's $25, and it has that tan contrast right there at the top and then in the strap. So I thought that was real pretty. Some nice shoes. So again, a really pretty green. Steve Madden. So you might want to grab some little strappy heels for the spring, and those are $30. These I thought were so cute because they were like sparkly, but not too sparkly. They went nice with the tan, just really pretty. I liked how thick the straps was with the braiding. $35 for those. I really thought those were really, really pretty. These, I love a good pair of these sandals. And these came in a nice little like snake-like print. I only saw that. Did I see another pair? I believe I only saw that one pair in that print. So $80 for those. These some neutral shoes. So if you're looking for some neutral color shoes, and these have a thick heel on them too, kind of like that linen looking like material for that one. $30 for that, and you can see the little detail in the buckle there. Thought those were pretty. These right here, another nice neutral one with a little crisscross on top, and $35 for those. So just some really pretty sandals right now. So if you're looking for sandals, you might want to head with TJ Maxx. These dresses, so both of them, I thought they were so cute, so simple. I love a good little sundress. $25. It kind of has like that crochet knit type detail, the shearing in the back, the little crinkly like fabric, and then you would just tie it like a halter. I just thought it was so nice, so simple. It's like falls below the knee. Thought that was cute. And then they have similar in the white, but it's different, but it's similar. And then same brand for both of those, and $25 for that one too. And it kind of has the same neckline there and a bit of lining on it. That one was a bit longer though. This nice floral print one, so this is the back of it. So this is how the back of the dress looks, and it's just like a pretty palish color for that one right there. It has the V neckline. Can you see like the lace trim around the neckline right there? $35 for that one right there. Super pretty, and it kind of has the tearing at the bottom if you can see it. This one's so cute. It gave me a retro vibe. The blue was pretty. $30, not bad at all. The little neckline with the tie, I just thought it was so cute. So, and then the sleeves, it's like a 3/4 sleeve on that one. Thought that was cute. This one gave me another retro vibe. So like all these dresses I'm about to show gave me a retro vibe. So $40 for this one right here, and it's sleeveless. It has that detail all the way down the neckline there to like your waist. Thought that was real nice, Vince Komodo. And then the simple zipper in the back, just something real cute. You can pull those off with a cute little pair of flat sandals. And then if you don't like the blue or you like them both, you can get it in that like bold pink right there, which I also thought was real pretty. This, another retro style with the like paisley print for this one right. So like I said, they had a lot of cute retro style ones. And this one, $25 for this one. And it just, like I said, gave me that retro look incline, and just simple. It has like kind of a flair to it. And then this one right here with the sleeves, this one has sleeves, so $30. It's a different brand. Then the other one, this one is Tommy Hilfiger for this one right here, but both of them gave me that retro vibe. And then if you're looking for something that doesn't give you a retro vibe, this is like a wrap style one. So nice and simple. You can wear this to work, you can wear this out. Just something simple, $25. So it's always good to have a nice little black dress. More of the neutral style shoes, so you can see those other shoes again, just so cute. But these right here, $30, and they are just another nice pair. Like, I like neutrals because you can pair them with a lot of different things. It has the thick heel to it, so just something nice to grab if you're looking for a pop. These right here, so cute. So it's like a frosted clear on the top right there, and then in the back it has the little black studding. $30, not bad at all. And then the heel of these is like a metallic, like a silver. So I just thought that was nice. This is like kind of like a quilted looking, like a sweater looking material. $30 for those black heels right there. Then these little slide-ons, you might want to grab those little micro cores with the traditional print they have, and then the browns. So you might want to grab those. Another cute dress. So this is in the back, and it has that crisscross. It has the back opening on it, and it's real inexpensive, $15. Little knit midi dress, sleeveless. And then these overalls right here I thought were interesting because it's not that traditional denim. It's like a cotton stretchy kind of material, so like kind of like a jogger. $17 for it, not bad at all. So you can do like a little relaxed look, or you can dress them up. Just something nice and simple. And then the color, you know, that pretty tan. This dress right here, another nice floral print, because I like floral prints in spring and in summer. So they had this one right here at only $20, not bad at all. And it's just a nice simple dress. Again, something you could wear to work, or you can wear, you know, out. Has that wrap style with a little tie on the waist there, and then in the back it has the little elastic to pull it in, so it gives it a nice little shape. This one kind of gave me an animal print, but it wasn't an animal print, like a geometric print. Thought that was nice. White and black. It's kind of like an off-white though. Thought that was super nice and simple. Only $20, not bad at all. It has the short sleeves. It has the waist tie. So you might want to grab something simple like that. But like TJ Maxx has a lot of nice little lightweight dresses and clothing for the spring, for the summer. This jumpsuit, I love the color, and it is one shoulder. So that's just, you know, the strap for when you're hanging it, but it's one shoulder on that side, and then it's got that bold color to it. It's a nice simple cut, and only $20. I thought that was cute. I love a good jumpsuit, so you might want to grab those because jumpsuits are good all year round. And it's just like a nice simple cut on that one, real nice and simple. And again, it is one shoulder, which gives you like a little statement. Relaxed pants, again, something that you can wear with one of those neutral shirts like how we saw in the beginning. $17 for these, kind of that crinkly material. It has the waist tie on it. This dress thought was cute because of the pleating, and it is just something nice and simple. $35 for that. So that's another good one. And it's that lightweight, and you can tell by looking at it, I don't know if it's picking it up here on camera, that it was like linen like. So it is a linen blend for that one right there, and it's just something nice if you're looking for a little trench coat, because you know the seasons change but you still want to wear a coat. This one $50, and it's that traditional style trench coat, but just with a little bit of different details. So it has traditional belting, all that stuff, but then the sleeves have like a little detail on it, which I thought was really nice, you know, something cute to add to it. This set, something simple, something cute. So if you can wear this, you know, because it has the openings in the front, $8, lightweight, you know, it doesn't have a lot of support, but if you can pull that off, that would be so cute, especially together. $15 for the shorts, another cute pair of shorts, or you could just pair that with a simple top. So you might want to have a TJ Maxx.